Let's dive into the top 3 pool cleaners of 2024. First up, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC plus Wi-Fi automatic robotic. This cleaner isn't just smart, it's a genius in your pool. Always connected. With the Dolphin Nautilus CC plus robotic pool vacuum cleaner, schedule your pool cleanings from anywhere with always connected Wi-Fi. Next, meet the Polaris Vac Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. Cleans in 3 hours. Powered by a separate Polaris booster pump, dual Venturi jets create strong vacuum power to reliably clean any in-ground pool in 3 hours or less. For in-ground pools, safe for all pool shapes and surfaces including vinyl, fiberglass, gunite, pebble and tile. Wave goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to more pool parties. And last but not least, the AI per 2024 upgraded Scuba SE robotic pool cleaner. This pool vacuum for above-ground pool leverages a refined design to minimize power usage for propulsion, focusing instead on superior cleaning performance. Activate the cordless pool cleaner with just a click, no hands needed. So whether you're into smart technology, eco-friendly options or sheer power, there's a 2024 pool cleaner waiting to make your summer splash-tacular. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.